warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Adil Ashraf bin Ismail. So today we are connecting lab 2 for the construction for AC high voltage, which is, as you can see from here, we have the FC transformer and the other parts component. So about this lab is we want to get how the connection from the supply to the transformer, and then the other part from the FC to get the measurement value at the oscilloscope. So after this, our next member will explain from part to part and the function of the part that there will be explained. So we go to our next member.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Azhar bin Aidil. This is isolator. So the isolator will give fully supply for the equipment inside the lab. Alright, so the supply from isolator will give to the high voltage transformer. So this is the wiring. You can see the wiring is a DIN, power supply line, and neutral. So the isolator will give the fully power supply to the high voltage transformer, and then we have connecting rod. So the connecting rod will connect the high voltage transformer to the connecting cup. So this is a connecting cup. How we install this? We just slot in all the equipment, and then we have electrode. This is an electrode, and below the electrode is measuring capacitor, which is we use 100 picofarad, and for the base of this full equipment is floor pedestal. So that is a floor pedestal. Thank you.
Alright, Assalamualaikum. My name is Daniel Fikri. So today I'm going to show the connection for monitoring. So what we got here is the secondary unit or voltage divider, which is grounded to the copper cable, and then we connect the data with a T connection here. Alright, each one will go to the FC, frequency converter, and the other one will go to the picoscope inside the office. So inside the office, here we got the picoscope 3000 series, which is connected to the A cable, cable channel A, and then goes to the USB over here. And then this is the picoscope 6 software where we can monitor. But right now there is no power or data coming out from the voltage divider.
Yeah, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Ahmad Lakwan. So I will explain about grounding switching. So this is a grounding switching. As we can see, this grounding switching is connect between measuring capacitor and floor pedestal. And as we can see here, this grounding switching, we have a testing rod, which is connect with the electrode. And this grounding switching, the function is to ground the high voltage construction kit, and this rod will connect with the electrode to reduce the corona, discharge on high voltage part. So that's all for me. Thank you.
Yeah.
Okay, Assalamualaikum. It's me, Muhammad Akil. So today I would like to talk and explain based on my part, which is a AC voltage divider. Alright, for the AC voltage divider, it's a secondary unit, and which incorporates with the LV capacitors and connected between HF sockets. Which means by measuring the capacitors, and for the output voltage, separate for the two part, which is for the first part is For the picoscope, output for the picoscope is 7 volt, and for the DMI, output voltage is 150 volt. Alright, that's all my part. Thank you.
Okay, my name is Muhammad Amar bin Zainal, and my part I will explain about the safety purposes. So as we can see, we need to make sure all the connection must connect with the ground foil like this, and the most important thing is make sure all the connection with a tightly and proper way. So next I will explain about the component or things that we use for the safety purposes. As we can see, we need to use a glove for the installation or the connection. Next is the discharge rod. Discharge rod ni, the function is if have something fault or error, we need to use this discharge rod and connect it with to grounding. Next is for the cage. We also need to connect it with the grounding.